Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're highly welcome. And to my old subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for liking and commenting. You guys are really amazing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make a neat knotless braid, and it's a beginner friendly tutorial. If this is what you would like to see often, please subscribe to see more amazing content, because I'll be dropping more content and more hair tutorials on this channel. And please do well to like and subscribe. So after cutting out the buzz, because I'll be showing how to cut a buzz braid, after cutting the line, make sure the line is neat. Here I'm trying to combat the hair. After creating the line, I'm trying to combat the hair so that it's not tangled. After combing it out, here the hair that you've cut out, after combing it out, the hair you've cut out, you divide it into three. After dividing into three, you crisscross the hair, as you can see in the video. Just watch carefully to understand what I'm doing. Just the normal way you start braiding your hair. You braid, then you braid a little. You start by adding attachments, little quantity of attachment. You add as if you're making an arrow, you add attachment on top, and then you braid. If you still understand how I started this braiding, you can check out my video on how to braid your natural hair. The same method you use to braid your natural hair when starting, that's what you're going to use, but the only difference is that you add attachments in making your knotless braid. You don't just braid it like that to the end, but the same pattern, that's what you use to start your knotless braid. You can check out the video, is on my channel. If you still don't not understand how to start your braids. Here I was trying to show you that you just have to braid a little, then you start adding your attachment. You understand? You braid a little, then you start adding in your attachment, but the knot has to be small.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.